This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Deb Kawleski. Lake Camelot and Walden Pond access lot ready for you to bring your camper and start enjoying all that Rome area has to offer. Lot has electric, water and septic already installed. Very nice shed, 10 by 14, for storage, wood deck, 10 by 40, with built-in dog kennel. Annual dues gets you the code to the boat launch at the marina. Large lot with gravel driveway. For more information, review the details below or contact Deb Kawleski at 715-340-0630.